Well, once again at Dynodaze, it's time to make some noise. Now, this is a lovely Civic that, as you could probably imagine, has been Kswapped. So, we're going to get mapping it. We're using the Honda K100 board that the customer has supplied and installed. We're going to use our K Pro to tune, and yeah, it's going to get up on the dyno in a moment. Let's have a look at the engine bay. Wow. Ooh, lovely, lovely. And there she is. Bit of excitement, bit of noise for today. It's what we need. Hopefully we don't annoy anyone with the amount of noise. Right, said Fred, it's up on the dyno. It's time to do a base run and then get tuning on the old Honda. Okay, so it's ready. So Richard's now plugged in K Pro to tune on. How you feeling, Richard?
Better if my password going.
Yes, remembering your password is half of a tuner's job. So, looking forward to it, making some noise, as I said. Love a bit of noise here at Dynodaze. Right, go for it.
You ready?
Yeah, we're recording.
He was born ready.
He's born ready.
Born
ready.
So the new cameraman is Sam.
Yeah.
The new
Who's,
fluffer.
well, he is on a Thursday and a Friday anyway.
Yeah, because obviously he's a fluffer for Rob. Monday,
Yeah,
Tuesday,
he's on Wednesday.
Yeah, but he's a cameraman here, so he's
so he's all right.
So this K20 Civic is completed. You've just finished mapping it on a K100 board.
Yeah.
And it's done pretty well, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's done all right. What did we finish on?
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4. That's okay. I'm happy with that. Sort of max you're ever really going to see around 240ish, so I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
Okay, Matt's okay. A little issue with the throttle position sensor wasn't quite set up correctly, but okay, that's not the end of the world. We sorted that. Yeah, it's mapped up okay.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
That's all I've got to say about it.
I'm sure
really.
the customer will be happy. It came in with a map of sorts on it.
Yeah, made 218.
Yeah, we've improved on that and
Certainly have.
smoothed it out a load.
Yeah.
So the customer did say to me that he'd used £50 worth of fuel travelling 120 miles to get here. So he was hoping that he was going to get
a bit cheaper on the way back.
A bit cheaper on the way home, yeah.
Well worth his 120 miles, so.
Yeah, definitely.
Pat you on the back. There you go.
Oh, cheers, mate.
Well done. You can come in next week.
Well done, Rich.
In what next week?
Hey!
He's always got to go gay, ain't he? Right, let's have a look at the graph.
Okay, so here we are, as we always say, red line is as it came in, blue line is as it leaves, and we have finished today on an impressive 234 brake, just shy of 200 at the wheels, which we're quite impressed with. Yeah, not a bad car. Richard's just going up the stairs behind me. You get down, man. If you fall, you'll need a new hip.
I'm going for...
Go for a nice photo.
No, I want some rope.
Oh, rope to hang himself. So there you go. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. Even Samuel sat in the office said that sounded amazing. So, well done, Team Dynodaze. That's another one in the bag. Thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
Samuel?
Yes.